Shelby killing my dog with the broom.
I'm kidding your dog, but I keep getting the broom.
No, back off.
Ready? Ready? Jump, 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 jump. Wait, I can't screw that. He's not on me right now.
It's Attack of the Psycho Doggy. Psycho puppy.
God, I'm laughing so fucking hard I can barely breathe.
That's how I am with him.
You wanna go?
Give me the room. Give me the room. Give me the room. Okay, we're good. You fucking retard.
My long, hard shaft.
Oh, snap. Get in the way. I don't want to sit down on them or anything, yo. Why? That looks so wrong.
Sucking on my hard, long shaft.
Oh my god. Is that the one you used on me? Is that the one you used on me last night?
Yes.
Damn it! That you told me that was for me only.
Oh, it's his birthday.
Fine, but we're getting me a new one.
Okay. It wiggles.
Oh, people, check out my sexy new Converse. They're like raw. Like, oh yeah, I pwn you. Look at that. Oh,
You missed that, Shelby.
what?